In this video, you will learn how to add the YouTube widget to your Arreya presentation. To begin, log into your channel. In your dashboard, click the Content menu at the top of the page and then click Presentations. Click the green Edit icon on your existing presentation to launch the Arreya Creative Studio. On the top menu bar, click Widgets, then click YouTube. The top section shows a preview of how the widget will appear. Below the preview, you will find the widget settings. First, paste the desired live stream or video URL into the YouTube URL field. Next, use the Controls setting to give users the ability to pause, adjust the volume, or skip around in the video if available. Use the Autoplay setting to play the video automatically. Use the Loop setting to loop the video. If you are using a playlist URL, the widget will play through all the videos in the playlist before returning to the first video. Finally, use the Caption setting to enable subtitles on the video. In order to show subtitles, closed captioning must be enabled on the video through YouTube Studio. When you are finished with the widget settings, click the OK button to add the YouTube widget to your page. Drag the widget to move it, or use the bounding box to resize it. Click the purple brush icon below the widget to open the style settings. In the style settings, you have options for the transparency, borders, shadows, and more. When finished, click OK. If you want to adjust the widget settings after adding it to the page, click the purple gear icon below the widget to open the settings menu. If you need additional YouTube widgets, you can add additional widgets from the Widgets menu and repeat these steps. When you are finished, click the green Push Live button to update your presentation.